Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create carousel effect in Flutter. So for that, first of all, you will have to use this package Carousel Slider, and if you're using asset image then you have created new project, then you will have to use this path and make sure that your alignment of each text like that this dash and the text asset will remain same, otherwise asset image will not be visible to you. So this is my now let's jump into the code. This is my home page, and I have make that API calling and UI part separately. Suppose if you are working on some big project, then you will have to manage these things. So this is my home page. Basically you can say slider screen, and this is the stateful widget, and inside scaffold I have used app bar, and as a body I am using carousel slider page. I have created it for custom carousel slider, and I will put the code on GitHub and will share the link with you people. And let's jump into this carousel slider. This is my array. You can use your array coming from API. You can use image.network. For now I'm using asset image, that is why I'm using asset image. So this is my array, and it is also a stateless widget. And then inside this build method I'm using carousel slider, and it is coming from the package that I have told you in the beginning. And then it is items, and I'm passing my items here. So this is the array, then this item is passing inside this carousel card. I have created this card in another UI. So this is the array of my data, and then it basically returns item. It basically returns widget. That is why I am returning here carousel card. And this is the property of carousel slider, like this. You can as if now it is used enlarge center page. As you can see here that in center, when any image appears, it is enlarged. So because of this, if I will comment this, then you will come to know the effects. Now there is no enlargement, so I have used here because it looks good. And autoplay is there, true. If you will make it false, then it will not rotate automatically. These are the durations of time, in what time you want this slider to move automatically. So these are the things. And for this design that I am passing here, I am again using stateless widget and created constructor for this image URL that I am passing from this array as item. This is the image URL that I am using in this UI. So it is also a stateless widget, and inside this build method, first of all I have taken here card and given the corner radius of 10 to this card, and again taking here some little bit of color shadow for this kind of grayish effect. Elevation is 10. You can decrease or increase the elevation. You can change the design according to your use. And again I am giving corner radius to image, which is again of 10 points, and then finally I am passing image.assets and my image URL, and I am taking the width like this, media query of context size width of 0.9. What it will do, it will take width of 90% of the screen in which you will run this particular app. So that's it for now, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.